Shout out to the parking garage. I don't know if anybody has said this before, but shout out to the parking garage for providing Dean with those acoustics. Cause the Dean vocals in the parking garage, there's a lot of artists I would love to hear sing in a parking garage. I'm just saying, it ain't nothing like a motherfucking parking garage for acoustics. You want to hear